Hello, my name is Jenna Hermes. The title of the study is called The Relationship Between Cognitive-Linguistic Performance and Sleep Problems in Adults with Mild Traumatic Brain Injury. I conducted this study with my colleagues, doctoral student Tara Flaugher and mentor Dr. Rocio Norman. And to begin, our lab investigates cognitive communication within the mild traumatic brain injury population, MTBI. MTBIs are a leading health concern and cause of disability worldwide, and it is often reported that individuals who have sustained an MTBI present with comorbid conditions that impact their performance and function. One of those comorbid conditions commonly being problems with sleep. Therefore, our study aimed to determine whether there was a relationship between these sleep problems and specifically cognitive linguistic performance. We used a retrospective cross-sectional design and completed the study at an academic medical center. Our participants included 16 community-dwelling adults with MTBI and 23 without. Our measures included administering the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index, Ways Processing Speed Index, Control Oral Word Association Task, NIH Cognition Battery, and the Neurobehavioral Symptom Inventory. And so our results included that our demographics showed a mean age of 22 with a higher percentage of females in both samples. For our main outcomes, we found a significant difference between the two samples in their neurobehavioral symptom scores and sleep quality. To obtain these measures, we used the Neurobehavioral Symptom Inventory, which is a questionnaire commonly administered to individuals with concussions to address symptoms related to behavior, such as stress and anxiety, as well as pain and dizziness. And for the sleep quality, we used the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index, which provides an overall sleep quality score self-reported based on sleep duration, disturbance, latency, efficiency, and daytime dysfunction. We did not find differences between the two samples in verbal fluency, processing speed, or NIH cognitive scores. Additionally, we also found that sleep and processing speed were negatively correlated, meaning that the higher the global Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index score was, the lower the processing speed. A higher global Pittsburgh sleep quality score indicates poor sleep quality. Therefore, the processing speed went down as the sleep score was reported to be poor, and this was a significant finding. And so, in closing, our results of the study demonstrate that sleep quality is an important measure to consider in MTBI-related cognitive communication disorders. We think that the study is the first step, and we look forward to exploring this question in a bigger population. But for now, we believe that it has clinical implication because if our patients are reporting problems like processing speed, we as clinicians need to monitor whether they are getting enough sleep. And that concludes this presentation. We'd like to acknowledge the NIH National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences for funding this study, and thank you so much for your time.